And a patio. Peleo, screen the Poblacion, 14 to shoot. Peleo. Oh! What a strike! Montenegro, Poblacion. Basket, basket down, over. AC, arm contact. Second personal foul, number 18. Second. Right, Poblacion with saturation. All right, two behind the ball. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez shot clock 14 to shoot. Ibanez is 2-1. Pass to Basis. And to shoot. Delano slide. Swing. Montenegro. For 2-1. Yes, for 2. Peleo. Basket. Yes, for 2. 2-1. Sorrento, pass to Peleo, Villa Sama, Ibanez, no good. Peleo hand the ball, defense to Chua. Peleo again, shot clock 14 to shoot. Pass to Poblacion, no good. Rebound to Chua. Chua to Ibanez. Man! Pili pa utang. Hand the ball. Oh! Pass to Lamberto. Yes, for 2. Poblacion. Poblacion susunod, defense to Ibanez. Ibanez to Peleo. Peleo on a spin, no good. Game of the Peleo to Poblacion, shot clock 14 to shoot. 5 to shoot. And Peleo, 5 to shoot for the block. Third circle. Foul number 19, only foul. With the 5 minutes, now Villa Flores. Patola, for number 7, no good. Rebound to Montenegro to Villa Flores. And a player to Sorrento, defense to Ibanez. Sorrento with the pass to Poblacion. Poblacion and a man, no good. Rebound to Lamberto slide. Peleo. Poblacion, easy basket. Yes, for 2. Defense of Miguel, shot clock 14 to shoot. Shot clock 10 to shoot. With a pass to Poblacion. 5 to shoot. Jump shot to Zelmo, no good. What a slide, subdivision. Alton. Sorrento when it comes to Montenegro. 10 to shoot, Montenegro has 4-2. Remember Montenegro, pass to Pelio, no good. Rebound to Chua. There's Salviso. Shot clock 14 to shoot. Aperture. Five shot clock to shoot. 5 shot clock to shoot. Aperture. 5 shot clock to shoot. Final 2 minutes. There's a goal. And foul number 6, holding foul. With 1 minute and 58 seconds. Campañas fake. Jump shot. No good. Rebound number 3. Number 3, no good. With a steal. Jumbo, pole position from Calindagan. Alright, back to the ball game. This is the final quarter with 1 minute and 35 seconds. With a steal, number 6. Pass to Sorrento. Shot clock. 15 to shoot. Villa Flores. Sport ball foul. Double Aswell by foul number 18, and Aswell by foul from number 8, Pelio. That's a double Aswell. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Naitip control. Naitip control, double unsportsmanlike. So, bulas Calindagan. Okay? Bulas Calindagan. In a ball position from Calindagan. With 1 minute and 22 seconds. Time to shoot, Serrano. Serrano, what a pass. With a top shot. What a top shot. Pia Torres, 57. Surrender, 45 seconds. 10 to shoot, 40 seconds. 5 to shoot. Again. 14 to shoot, 30 seconds.